Hello everyone, welcome to um, JavaScript tutorial. So we'll be using our application TrapEdit for this tutorial. So the first thing we want to do is to open our TrapEdit app. Okay, so we'll go to workspace to create a folder. Alright, so let's click on the plus icon. So create a new project and I will save it as JavaScript, then save. Okay, so let's just create an HTML file inside this folder. Let's create a file in this folder. So a new file. So let's just say JavaScript. So let's say JavaScript.html. Okay, so let's save it. So we've saved JavaScript.html in the folder JavaScript. Okay, so let's open it. Alright, so click on your snippet. That's your document. So the first thing we want to do today is introduction to JavaScript. So the first thing, let's talk about what is a little thing about JavaScript. So JavaScript is the world's most popular programming language. JavaScript is the programming language of the web. JavaScript is easy to use. Okay, this tutorial will teach you JavaScript from basic to advanced. Okay, so let's start from something. So JavaScript can change HTML content, right? Okay, so let's give an example. So one of many JavaScript HTML methods is get element by ID. So let's see how it is like. So let's bring in our body section, let's bring h2. So let's see what can JavaScript do. Okay, so that's our h2. So what we're going to do again is we'll bring a paragraph. So let's say p. Let's bring a paragraph. But we're giving this paragraph an ID. So let's come again. Let's open the paragraph again. So paragraph, we're giving an ID name. So the ID name we're giving it as demo. Okay, so that's the ID name. So let's close it. So in between this, let's write JavaScript can change HTML content. So we want to know how JavaScript can actually change HTML content. So created a paragraph, created an header, and we'll give the paragraph an ID name which is called demo. Okay, so the next thing we'll do is we want to create a button. So open your paragraph, button. So we're giving the button a type. So the type is called button. Okay, so what we'll do next is what is on click, we'll put on click, because we want it that once we click the button it will change the HTML document, or it will change something. So that we're putting this on click. Okay, so on click, click on this equal to and quotation sign. So now this is where we'll put document.get element by ID. So document, we have given the paragraph an ID already, so we want to get the document by ID. So we're trying to make reference to the ID. So let's say document does get elements, then by ID. Okay, by ID. So, and what is the ID name? The ID name is demo. So we close the brackets. So after that you put dot inner HTML. Okay, so you give a space, then equal to now. Let's say hello JavaScript. So let's close it. So we've closed it. So in between what do you want the button to show, to display? Like what should be written on the button? So let's put click me, so that once they click on the button it's going to change to something else. Okay, so if you want to save, you can just click on this button here, save. So let's go through everything again. So what we did was brought an h2 which says what can JavaScript do. Then we brought a paragraph which has an ID name as demo. So and the paragraph says JavaScript can change HTML content. That's the paragraph. We are giving that paragraph an ID name which is called demo. Then we are bringing a button so that when we click the button it's going to change something. So we brought a button, said the button type is button, and say on click, meaning that once you click it it will get the document by ID, and the ID name is demo. So let's save and play. Let's click on this play button here, this. Okay, so let me zoom in So as you can see, it's showing the header too. It's showing what can JavaScript do. Then the paragraph is saying JavaScript can change HTML content. Now we have a button there which says click me. So let's click it. If it's going to change, not change, that means we didn't do something right. So let's go back and confirm. So let's put the button again. So there's an issue with the button. Let's delete it from the button alone. Okay, so type it again. Okay, all right, so open your tag. So type button, then the next thing, just have to follow the step I'm following. So the button type, you put this one here equal to and this quotation mark. So the type, you put button. Okay, so after that, then give space, type on click, then put equal to, only equal to, then put this single quotation. So document dot get elements. Just follow the way I'm doing it. Get element by id. So in brackets we put the id in demo. What's the id name? The id name is demo. So you bring double quotation. So write the id name demo. Okay, so after that put bracket close. Okay, then now put dot inner, then html. Just follow it the way I'm doing it. html, then give space. Now put this one equal to and this double quotation. Okay, so we want it to change to hello JavaScript when we click on the button. Hello, then JavaScript. Okay, so we have to close it, close the tag. So when we close it, so once the button itself to display click me. So click me, let's put exclamation mark. Okay, so this is what we want the button to display. So let's save and see if it's going to work. Play, click on that play button. Okay, let me zoom in. So as you can see, our history is what can JavaScript do. Then the paragraph says JavaScript can change HTML document. Then our button says click me. So if you click it, according to our code, it's supposed to change. So let's see. Good. So you see, it has changed to hello JavaScript. So don't forget that we're talking about what JavaScript can do, and we'll be able to display that JavaScript can it can change HTML content, right? So when we click on this button, it actually displayed another paragraph or another word. So that is how to start with JavaScript. This is the first class on JavaScript, or the second class. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and leave a comment. Tell me the type of videos you want me to upload. Which topic in JavaScript are you having difficulties in? Just comment, like this video, and most importantly subscribe and turn on your notification bell, because I'll be posting videos every week, so you don't want to miss out. So thank you very much. I can still go back, I can still explain a little. Let's see, the first thing we did was we brought our HTML document. You just click on the snippet, HTML snippet, or if you're using laptop PC, you can just press shift exclamation mark, that's shift one to bring your HTML document. So, and what we did in this class was what JavaScript can do. We actually want to know what it can do, what JavaScript can do. So we started with bringing our h2 header 2, which says what can JavaScript do. So we brought a paragraph and we gave the paragraph an ID name. ID name is just to singular it out from any other thing. So we can call on that ID. So you may have 3 paragraphs, but when you give an ID to a paragraph, you can easily call or make reference to that one that you gave an ID. So that's why we're giving an ID, an identity. So paragraph ID, we are giving the ID name demo. So the demo is the ID name. So JavaScript can change HTML contents. Okay. So then after that we brought the button. So I will say the button type is button. Then we said on click. So meaning that when we click on the button, it's going to do something. So we said let's get document dot get element by ID. So we're getting the element by ID. Okay. There are many ways you can get element, but in this tutorial we're talking about by ID. So okay, by ID, what is it? What is the ID name? We said demo. Okay. So then after that, I said full stop. Then inner HTML, HTML in brackets in capital letters. Then after that, we'll give a space. Then equal to sign. Then a quotation mark. Then we say hello JavaScript. Okay. So we said the button should display click me. So that way we'll put this click me here. So let's save. This is where to save this place. Then this is where to play this button. So let me check again. So click me when we click on it. So normally it's showing JavaScript can change HTML content. So let's click on it and see if it's going to change. So good. So it's showing hello JavaScript. So subscribe for more. Thank you.